So for entry purpose, we will not going to enter whenever the cross is happening. As you can see, we again successfully hit our target. Hello and welcome to the Stratex path. Today we will going to learn a simple yet very powerful strategy on EMA 20 and 50. First of all, we have to go to our trading platform, and from here we have to open any of our favorite chart, whether it is a stock, crypto, option or future. Just open it. After that, we have to go here and choose our desired time frame. If you can't see these options here, you have to click on this little icon. Now you can see here are so many options already available here. If you are an intraday trader, you have to choose from 1 minute to 1 day. If you are a swing trader, then 1 week to 1 month will be better. And if you are an investor, then go for the 2 months to 12 months, any of your favorite option. So here I will going to choose 1 day from it. Now as you can see, our chart is opened on a daily time frame. After that, we have to go to the indicators tab, click on it. From here, we need to search for EMA. EMA stands for exponential moving average or moving average exponential. Click on it twice because today we will going to learn a crossover strategy. So click on this icon or option or twice, 1 and 2. Click outside. Now you can see our two EMAs are successfully plotted on our chart. From here, we have to go to this little icon, which is a setting option. Click on it. Go to the inputs tab. Choose the length 20 because this is going to be our fastest EMA. After that, go to the style tab. Click on this color icon. Select green color and click on this second line to make it more thicker. Click here and click on OK. Now you can see we have successfully plotted our EMA 20 on our chart. Let's plot EMA 50. For this, we have to click this gear icon again. Go to the inputs, select 50, go to the style tab, color icon, and we will going to take this red color because this is going to be our slow EMA. And we will make it more thicker by selecting this option. Click here and click OK. Now you can see we have successfully plotted our two EMAs on our chart. Let's hide the chart for better understanding. Now, as you can see, whenever the green line crossing and go below to the red line, there is a bearish trend. Both EMAs are going downwards. And whenever the fastest EMA on our this case, the 20 EMA is crossing and going above the slow EMA, means 50 EMA, there is a uptrend. You can clearly see whenever the crossover is happening, there is a clean trend shifting. So this is going to be our part of the strategy. So we got our idea. Let's unhide the chart. And you can see along with the lines, the market's candles are also moving to the same direction. You can see. So we learned about our strategy. Let's understand the entry setup and the exit setup, because you will going to get so many videos on YouTube on how to apply this strategy, but they will not going to teach you how to enter or exit from the market, because after all, it is all about become profitable on the market. So for entry purpose, we will not going to enter whenever the cross is happening. Why I am telling this? Because market always don't go upwards or always don't go to the downside. There is another phase called sideways. And that time, this strategy sucks. If we set our stop loss here, the market will going to come and hit your stop loss and go up again. And you can see if you short sell from here, the market will go and touch your stop loss and go down again. So that is a very bad situation when this strategy really sucks. That is why what we will going to choose. We will going to wait for at least 2 candles on the same direction of the crossover. You can see after the bearish crossover, here are 2 consecutive down close candles. Now we can take and enter to the trade here. We can put our stop loss to the recent swing high. with some buffer, because there is a rule, whenever the market go upward or downward, it used to take the liquidity from those levels. That is why a little bit of buffering is needed. Try to take at least 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So we will going to set our target 1:2. Now you can see we have set our target to 1:2 successfully. Now let's drag to the right side, and as you can see, we just successfully hit our target. Now let's understand a bullish setup. Here we can set our stop loss to the recent swing low, because this is a bullish trade. We will going to set our stop loss to the recent swing low. For the bearish one, we have to set to the recent swing high. Okay, let's try to take 1:2. See how 1:1 risk to reward ratio came, but we will not going to take this. Here you can see a bearish crossover again. We will going to enter after 2 down close candle, because it is a bearish crossover. We have to take our entry after 2 candles closing. You can see here 1 and 2 candles closed below those EMAs after the crossover. We can take here. Recent swing high will be our stop loss point. See, here also we hit our stop loss, but doesn't matter. It is all about how you are performing to the long run. Here, after a crossover, there is a one bullish candle closing above the EMA, and here the second one. We can take trade here and put our stop loss below our recent swing low, and we will going to aim for at least 1:2. You can see we have set 1:2 here. Let's drag it to the right side and see whether we get our target or not. As you can see, we again successfully hit our target. If you follow a good strategy along with the RR ratio, you will definitely going to become profitable to the long run. Hope you like this strategy. See you on the next video. Till then, happy trading.